Weather Report is sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
Angelica Campos joining us now. The nice weather drew a lot of people to the beach today, Angelica. It was just important they stay 6 feet apart.
That's right. We have to stay 6 feet apart. If not, wear that face covering. So a new month, new rules. So what does it say about the climate? What do we usually see in the month of May? Let's talk about that first. Usually May is known for its May gray, although today doesn't look like it. But that May gray usually brings a nice cool breeze, which helps things to be comfortable near the shoreline. In average, temperatures stay close to 68.5, so about 69 degrees. We're inching closer to 70. So far, temperatures have already been above normal, and that is the trend even into the next week. The hottest day in the month of May happened in 1986 with 98 degrees, but at least two other times we had temperatures at least at 95 degrees. May is usually when the dry season begins with only about a tenth of an inch in average, but in the past, at least once, we've seen over 2 inches of rain that happened back in 1921. So it's been a long time. And so far, the clouds are starting to move back in after a gorgeous afternoon in Del Mar. You can see how cloudy it is becoming very quickly. The water temperature, I know it says 70 in Oceanside, but an average is about 64 to 68 degrees, and we're expecting 2 to 4 feet waves. High tide happens at 7:04 this evening. So if you're hoping to get out there for that walk in the evening time, 7:04 will be high tide. 72 degrees right now in downtown San Diego. The wind's coming out of the west-southwest at 5 miles per hour. On average, we're still in the upper 70s in Poway, but it is a nice day. Ramona, 75 degrees right now, 73 in Jammu, and 67 in the city of Carlsbad. We'll continue to track clouds and fog into tomorrow morning, but it will clear nicely, becoming sunny in the afternoons. Sunnier as we head into next week. Hot weather is going to be returning. The overall pattern, storms continue tracking through the Pacific Northwest, but in Southern California, we're under a ridge of high pressure. It's just building, but it's going to be expanding, and that is going to provide warmer temperatures as we head into next week. There's a possibility for 80s and 90s, so we'll break it all down in your 7-day forecast, but you can see that warmer air just taking over the area and even extending all the way up into Washington state. So they actually will be getting a break from those storms they've seen so far. At the coast tonight, clear until at least 3 a.m. Clouds most likely just for the early morning hours between 5 and 8, and then back to sunny skies. Inland communities will be down to 6 degrees tomorrow morning, so it does get just a little bit cooler, but still within the boundaries of comfortable. In our 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast, 75 degrees at the coast for tomorrow and average, a little bit cooler on Sunday, and then temperatures go back up to the low and mid 80s. The hottest days will be Tuesday through Thursday. Inland communities will be in the 90s. So get ready for another scorcher week. At least we have a comfortable weekend with those numbers near 80 degrees in the valleys, mountain 70s, and for the deserts, a break from the triple digits just for a few days. By next Tuesday, temperatures will be back up to 100 once again. Kim?
All right, a beautiful weekend ahead, though. Thank you, Angelica.